Hello everyone and welcome to how to increase PC performance. There will be a list on screen showing you which the steps are, and all the steps and download links don't can be in the description. Sorry. Um, voice crack. First of all, just for a tiny extra, I would empty the recycle bin. Always have it empty. Uh, the first thing on the list is power options. If you have a laptop, you can just right click your battery down here and click power options. But if you're on a desktop computer like me, if you're Windows 7, you click this and um, search power options or control panel. Yeah, control panel. If you're Windows 8, you go up to this corner and type in control panel. But I'm on Windows 10 Pro Technical Preview, and my button doesn't really work, so it's kind of fucks my whole system up. So I have to right click and search. And then we search for control panel. Ow. My elbow. See, here's the control panel. Okay, now we're here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. There we go to system and security and power options. Here you're going to be unbalanced because it's recommended. I think we have balanced performance with energy consumption on capable hardware. Yeah, you want to take high performance. Favors performance but may use more energy. It just makes your system use all the energy it needs to operate at full speed. In balance, it doesn't quite do that all the time. Step 2 is download CCleaner. It's just a free download. You can just click this button hit down here and this green button here. And you just click that and install it normally. I already have that, so I'll just launch it. No, I don't want to download a new one. And you just analyze. It's probably the thing you can do. Just close out of that. While we wait for this, well, I'll skip this part. When you come to this, when it says whatever megabyte or gigabyte can be removed, run cleaner. Okay. And if it asks you to close anything, just do it. I won't because I have download links in my Chrome, so I'll click no. Done. We're not done with CCleaner yet. Now click on registry. I think that's how we pronounce it. And scan for issues. Here you will have registry errors, which slow down your computer very much. See? I have, for example, I don't really have that. So fix selected issues and fix all. Close. And now we're done. You can now close out of CCleaner. And if you don't want it to be on, just exit it from the little arrow up here. Now, step 3 is download malware antibytes. It's malware bytes anti-malware, I guess. Free version, download it, and download. I will download that either because I already have it, and you just install it like normal. When you have that, just open it up. It's really great, actually. Just let it load like this. Oh no, oh no. Okay. I don't care. Then you have threat scan and scan now. Or when you open it for the first time, it should probably just start to scan automatically. And you just let this go because it will take about fucking forever. So we'll let that go. open it, please. Okay. I don't want to do that. Oh, anyway. Now, if you do that, it will be here. It will scan as well. So, yeah. Scan. It's now scanning memory. Now it's scanning startup objects. It's going to scan everything. If it finds anything that's dangerous at all, just it will delete it for you, so you don't have to be afraid or anything. It will probably be tiny things that came with other installations or anything. I'm going to cancel the scan because I made a scan like 3 days ago. So yeah, I don't have anything. But on to the next tip. The next tip is advanced system settings. Now you go and search again for system, or well, in my case, system. Now when you're here, you should see about your computer right here. My computer's name is Betty. Computer description is Eric's gaming computer, and workgroup video editing. Anyway, you go down to this here and click Advanced System Settings. It should automatically be on Advanced. Otherwise, if you start here, you just click Advanced and you click Performance Settings. Here, in this visual effects, you adjust it for best performance. It will make your computer extremely ugly, as you can see, but it will run extremely quick compared to what it did for just a little while ago. I'm not going to do that because my computer is fast enough, so I'm going to make a best appearance again. Then you click Advanced, and if not, you have just best performance of programs. If you have the background services, click Programs. Just do it. Anyway, now we're going on to tip number 5. Tip number 5 is also under these performance options, and it's virtual memory. Just click Change down here. You'll have automatically manage paging file size for all drives. No, you don't want to do that. You will untick that and take custom size. Whatever size is down here. When I did this, that was really recommended. Whatever recommended that is for you, you should put here. For my personal thing, I'll type in 4415 and here as well. And then just click OK and apply. Okay, and you can just close out of that. And the system also. Tip number 6 is defrag your hard drives. To do this, the easiest way I have found is just open your Explorer and go to this PC and right click on the drive you want to defrag and properties. Here you go to tools. Here you can do an error checking. That's good if you haven't done it. Yeah, I recommend it. But for this tutorial, we're going to optimize a defragment drive. So just click that button and let it load. It will come up sooner or later. See? Here it is. Here you can see I've never run a defrag on my C drive because it has never been fragmented. I'm very, very, very careful with what I install on my PC, and you should be too. Anyways, if you see that, you can just analyze it. And probably that crashed. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh well. Oh, look! It started up again. Here, you can see, oh, look, it's 1% fragmented. Well, optimize it then. Just defrag all your drives, so just let that run and After when that's finished, we'll go on to the next tip. The next tip is update your drivers for your graph. Anyway, for tip number 7, drivers, update them quickly. This is just a mini test, I guess. Here, for NVIDIA drivers, just choose which product you have, GeForce of course, and here you can set what series, what product, and operating system. Windows 8.1 64-bit. It works for Windows 10 Tingle Preview 64-bit, and 32-bit works for 32 bits of the for the operating system. And language can be whatever. And then you just click search. Here you can see the latest driver that works with that card. The download link will be in the description. Anyway, for AMD drivers, here it's kind of the same. You can automatically detect and install your driver. I never use that. Yeah, here you can manually select, like if you have an APU, desktop graphic, notebook graphics, and that's for what's called laptops, and that's for desktop. So, see here, does he have my? No. So let's just say I have a HD series, and it's 64-bit, and display results. Here you can do that as well. Just here it is. Yes, download link will be in description for that as well. For the Intel driver, you have to download Intel driver updates utility, and I've never used that because I've never used Intel drivers or Intel processors or anything. I've just used AMD CPUs, which is really nice actually. Yeah, just download it and it will detect and install the latest driver for your CPU. Anyway, for tip number 8, it will be startup programs. To do this in Windows 7, I believe, you can't do it in the task manager, which means you have to run msconfig and go to startup. Here you can do exactly what I'll be doing in the task manager, which also applies for the Windows 8. Here you can see the startup, and just disable whatever you don't need. For example, I'll need EVG. I don't need Java update scheduler. I need Microsoft OneDrive. I don't need Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe or ATI Trade Tools, Catalyst Control Center, CCleaner, but I need Corsair gaming software for my keyboard and Steam because I want it. Just do it. Do it. Well, ooh, this will be hard.